We're here in the city of Prichard in what we call Champion Square because the city of Prichard is known to be the city of champions. What you see behind me is a replica of the door of no return in Benin, Africa. We named it the door of return because we're looking at positivity in the city of Prichard and trying to show where we come from and where we're going. The little history on the door of return is it's a monument in the city of Benin, Africa, in the country Benin, Africa, where the last descendants that came to Africa Town were enslaved and brought over here to the United States. And so this is where they landed in what we know now as Africa Town. The mayor of the city of Prichard, Jimmy Gardner, made a voyage over to to Benin, where he met with the kings and the people over there, and they actually made this replica hand carved, and they sent it over here to the city of Prichard as a gift to the mayor. And so we just felt like it was something that'll go very well in the Champion Square, to show where we're coming from, to show our heritage, and just to pay homage to everybody that came before, especially our ancestors. And so in walking through the door of no return when you was in Benin, you were captured and put on slave ships and brought here. Here, we looking at it like you walk through the door of return, then you can walk it through endless possibilities of what this once could be. This used to be a vacant lot, old burned down building, and now look at it. So the possibilities are endless, and that's what we're trying to show in Champion Square, because the possibilities for the city of Prichard is going to be endless, because we about to bring this thing back.